Uba kermenshela ubadai minister badai pej yakatrat revenue badjong ka disaster management mantaka khanyo tarik ubnai jun ulahyar syakashnong Laitlarem kabadai kawai na kishnong bala syakta haka jingjur uslap kabala penlong ban tua ki surok bat kibabun ki jaka kibala syata blut haka kabala wanra ru yaka jingsongsi namar saungwat ki khynnah jong ka ni kishnong kila du yala ka jong ka jingim hakaba nakliang jong ulalet ban pej bat ban snolem ya kita ki longyeng bala du yala ka jong ki kun hakani ka jinglet yar jurib jong uba kermenshela ulo ongru bakal long ka basngusi shisha halor kani ka jingja kumjuru ula kular ban nakliang ka department jong unsa sim yaki senjam bakumno ban yarap halor kani ka jingja
It's really sad to see that what happened to this family, especially they have lost 4 of their family members. It's really pain to see after seeing the dead body of this 4 members of this family. I feel so sad, and somehow I don't know what to say regarding with this, that how much pain that this family has suffered. We from outside we might not be able to ease their pain, but by coming here I feel that we show respect and we show that we are with the family. If they are in need of us, we are ready to be a part of that, whether in pain or in any kind of sadness they face. And secondly is that being for me, it makes me to come here and visit this place is that after seeing that, after I saw that message, that news what had happened in this family, it cannot stop me, and the entire department also we call them so that we can come and witness it with our own eyes, and then so that we can speed up the process when it comes to ex gratia and then any kind of need and support which they require. So we are ready and we are with the family, and at the same time I would like to request our people that they should be very much alert when it comes to this situation. We have witnessed while coming to this place, there's almost the entire road is flood, so it's covered with water. So I request the people of our state that to be very much alert, and whenever you travel anywhere, so please be careful. And one more thing I would like to announce that as per mentioned that even the Chief Minister has been announced that ex gratia will be given for lakh. So from our department, as per this norm, NDRF norm, so we will try to speed it up so that the family members can utilize this money, so that yes, no doubt we do feel that this money cannot ease their pain, but this is our duty to help family members, especially those who lost their life. Yeah, actually, as of now, we alert the entire state, especially those most affected area, like districts. So we have give the direction to all the deputy commissioners and the BDOs, and all are in line. So as of now, we are trying to help and give support as much as we can, and I remember yesterday when we had a meeting with the Chief Minister, he mentioned that we should not waste much time in meetings and all. The most important is that we should be on the ground level. And one more thing I would like to say that from our side, the government and the departments, we are trying to work hard as much as we can so that to save life, we cannot afford to even lose a single life. So if God's will that we cannot stop, but from our side, as much as we can, we are trying to stop that. We should not lose any single life. As of now, we are not thinking about the assistance from central. The central government has been provided almost all the time whenever we are in need. Even this time, if required, we will ask, because we do have that fund which are allotted for us from the 15th Finance Commission. So we are utilizing that money. And if required, we are ready to. We have to go and seek for the help of the central.